You know what you did? You know it? Are you happy what you did for your house? You broke in your house? You break everything, your blanket, your bed, and your house. You break everything, everything. See? You break everything in your house right now. See? Nothing in your house now. You break everything. You think you're a good dog? You think you got dog when you do this? Hey, Bubba, come here. Sit down. Sit. You think you're a good dog? No, 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 no. You think you're a good dog? Yes? Answer me. Yes or no? No. Yes or no? You're a good dog? No? Good? You think you're a good dog? You do everything wrong and you think you're still good? You a bad, bad dog. Listen to me. You a bad dog. You broke your own house. You don't like it? You don't like what I say? Are you feeling good when you do it? Okay, come here. Sit and talk to me. Are you happy when you did it? Are you happy? You think you're good? Wow, you're good. You're good. You good. Good. Broken. You good and you destroy all your house. That you good, right? So you have cold weather tonight. Will be cold for you. You will have no blanket tonight, okay? Because you break it all. Here, your bed, your blanket, oh God, all break, okay? So, take care of yourself tonight. Without blanket, you will be cold, okay, baby? You will be cold. You happy? Okay, good boy. You good boy, right? Okay, give me a hand. Give me a handshake. Are you sure? You don't want it? Okay, you know what to do, right? Take care of you tonight, okay? Take care of yourself tonight. Let me shake your hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Shake hand. Shake hand. Not. Give me a hand. Shake. Crazy. You crazy. You so crazy. Okay. Take care of you. Take good care of you. Take care of yourself tonight. Okay.